Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and what's in the box?
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
It's that time again. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm ready. Let's get it. All right. Let's see what's in this box. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Let's get it. All right. Let's just jump right in here. What's in the box? What's in the box? Let's get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. What do we have in here? In door number one. We got some foam peanuts. Okay. And let's see. Got a receipt there. Don't need the box. And here's the fragrance. Pardon all the noise. Oh, finally I got it. Rayhaan's Pharaoh. This is supposed to be a clone of Camden. I've never smelled that fragrance before, but we're gonna smell it right now, or at least smell what this is. Oh man, Rayhaan's been putting out some beast fragrance lately. Man, they've been putting out some good stuff. So hopefully this one won't let me down. Now I think this fragrance is probably geared, from what I can tell from the notes. This is something that's probably a little bit better for the winter and the fall seasons, but we've been having some up and down weather lately, so maybe if we have another 50 or so day, I might be able to get a wear in. Okay, pretty basic box. It's actually kind of, well, actually not basic. Look, some hieroglyphics here, there, and then the pharaoh. Pretty nice, and it's kind of raised a little bit. It almost looks like it's in 3D, and the hieroglyphics are all over the box. Hopefully it's not an incantation for mummies to come back to life.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
But anyway, on the front it has the picture with the hieroglyphics on it. The back has the hieroglyphics, also has the Rayhaan name there. And then on the bottom it has when it was made and the other information. All right, and I kind of like that they got this little pull tab that makes it easy to open up the box. And these boxes are pretty basic. It's nothing over the top with these fragrances. I mean, with these boxes, which I don't need it anyway because Rayhaan has pretty good stuff. Oh, the fragrance was actually inside backwards. It was like this, and here's the front. Nice. I don't think I'm saving that box because why? Okay, look at that. That is pretty fly. Now this is, I'm not sure if it's coming up on camera, but this is actually kind of like engraved structure. It's not just a flat piece. Maybe you can see it from the side. See, it's raised up a little bit on the side. On the side they have Rayhaan on that side. On the back, on the other side has Rayhaan. On this side it's some type of like a leaf type of structure that's kind of built into the glass. Pretty nice. And on the bottom I don't have anything, which is kind of strange. The top of it has the Rayhaan name, and let's see what we're working with. Oh, ooh, that's spicy. It's spicy. It's woody. It's ooh, it tickles your nose.
Not that yellow. Which one of y'all kicked me?
Wow. Yes, it tickles your nose. But this is a very woody, spicy fragrance. Oh my goodness. But it smells good. I like it. Whew. I'm gonna go straight on skin with this. That is strong. Yeah, this DNA, you won't be able to wear this, and I won't be able to wear this in the summertime. Oh man, look at that sprayer. Nice sprayer too. But yeah, that's nice. Yeah, this is woody. It's woody and it's spicy. It's something something a little creamy with this also. Like I'm not sure what it is. It's that top note that was just spicy. It's better now. This is nice. This smells it smells niche. Like this smells like something that most people would not be wearing. And you would have to wear this kind of fragrance. You can't just spray this on. This is not a fragrance that would be like an everyday kind of fragrance, unless that's your personality. This is more of a situational type fragrance. But the woodiness, it smells really good. I don't know. Let me get the notes. Hold on. Actually, yeah, let me get the notes. Let's see what it really smells like, what the notes say. So, okay. Got the notes. Rayhaan Pharaoh. Oh, boozy notes. Okay, so for the notes for Rayhaan Pharaoh. Wait a minute. Was this a magnetic top? This is a magnetic top. Do the other Rayhans have magnetic tops? I don't remember. But that's nice. I just realized that as I was getting ready to go through the notes. But anyway, the notes for Pharaoh, the top notes are cardamom, saffron, cade oil, and boozy notes. Okay. And then the middle notes, we have coffee, suede, and benzoin. And then in the base notes, there's vanilla, gaiac wood, tonka bean, labdanum, and amberwood. I'm smelling some other wood. Like it doesn't come off like amberwood or gaiac wood. It smells more like a teak wood, but a dark teak, not like I know a lot of times teak wood comes off kind of like kind of fresh, but it has that woody vibe to it. No, I'm talking about something. It smells like a darker teak wood, like maybe it's been soaking in water or something like that, and it has some resins on it. It doesn't smell like. It doesn't come off like either one of those woods. It comes off as something different. I'm not sure if these notes are exact or not, but it smells woody, but it doesn't smell like gaiac wood or amber wood, which is kind of weird. Maybe it's the suede mixed in with it. It smells really good. I am picking up the suede now and the benzoin. A little bit of saffron. I had the saffron in the beginning. Maybe that was the creaminess that I was smelling mixed with the boozy notes. It says boozy notes. I'm not sure if that's like a clear alcohol or if that's supposed to be a dark alcohol, because boozy notes can, the difference in the alcohol colors can definitely come off different off your skin and give you a different vibe. And that I'm not picking up what it may be. If anything, it could be rum. Was rum in there too? No, it's not. Rum's not in there. Tonka bean. Man, it smells really good. I can't wait to try to wear this. Um, I might be able to wear it some evenings, like if I'm at home with the air conditioning going on and everything. I may be able to go ahead and try to wear this. It's just that opening was sharp. It was not sharp. It was spicy. It was spicy with that wood, and it just tingles your nose a little bit. Just just tickles your nose. But yeah, oh my goodness, glad to have this. They had a big, big old party with a release of this fragrance, and I think there's a couple of other ones in Egypt. And I wasn't invited to a party, obviously, because my channel's not big enough. But a lot of the people that put out videos for fragrances, they were there, and they got a chance to smell it. And this was like maybe a few months ago. I think it was like maybe the beginning of the year or the end of last year or something like that. But man, this is really good. I was waiting to get this. Took a long time before it actually came into the area. I'm finally getting it here, and yeah. But anyway, I finally got it. It was two of the Rayons that I was really trying to get, and that was Pharaoh, and I got Aquatica. Those are two that I really wanted to get. But I picked them up now. Anyway, I'm rambling too much. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I just wanted to open up the box, see what was in the box, and share with you guys. So until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.
Linda, listen, Linda. Listen.
Okay, what?
Okay, it's been a couple of days with me with this fragrance, and I had a little bit of time to play around with it. I haven't really worn it yet, so a ride along is coming soon. But I've worn it around the house, and the dry down comes off this almost like a BO kind of odor. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to dig this fragrance or not. So that's why I need to do a ride along pretty soon. So look for the ride along. All right.